Hey, travelers. Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna look at a variety of apartments. Now, I definitely wanted to take you on my journey of looking at apartments, but I'm not gonna lie, I am new to this, trying to be true to this, and the footage that I had just wasn't great. However, there was a few realtors that I did follow online that had really great videos of a lot of the different apartments in this area. So I will actually show you some of the apartments in this area through their videos because honestly, it kind of helped me decide which building I wanted to be in, what apartment style I preferred, and then seeing them in person actually solidified whether or not I really actually wanted to stay there or in that particular space. It is in vertical form, so if you don't like half the screen being in vertical form, then this video is not for you. So this first apartment is it's, as you can see, it's a brand new apartment. All the things in there are brand new. Has a really nice view of the soccer field. The couch is pretty decent. They more than likely will provide you with a mattress, so you don't have to stress about that. As you can see, there is a separation in the bathroom in just about all of these apartments. There is no washer. Keep an eye on that. There's no washer, and I did not see any TVs. So as you are going through, make sure that you are keeping note of all of these things because these are things that you're going to have to buy. As I mentioned, they very well may provide you with a mattress, but they may not be providing you with TVs, bedding, and things of that nature. So keep that in mind. And let's go to the next one. So apartment number two, this is $615 a month, and this style actually looks like the Beverly to me, which is really nice. It looks like the owner of this apartment really did gut it and decorate it tremendously, added a pop of color, gave it some tile floors, which is not common here. You rarely see tile floors in District 9, but I really like what they did with the kitchen, honestly. So, um, yeah, 615 a month for this two bedroom, two bathroom, wood grain everywhere apartment is actually still a really good deal. Next. Okay, so this one is apartment number three. It is 615 a month. This actually I think is like the Lumiere uh building. If I'm not mistaken, it's actually a really nice building. It's actually one of the best buildings. I mean, I like Massery, but the Lumiere or Lumiere, that one is a really nice building. It doesn't seem overly crowded. The pool is really nice as well. As you can see, this one comes with bedding, and so then you won't have to purchase bedding. It comes with some nice build-ins, and I do like the fact that it has a ceiling fan. That's another thing. Not many places or apartments have ceiling fans in here, so not many places have ceiling fans out here. So if you see a ceiling fan, definitely like get excited. It does have one TV in this apartment that comes with it, so keep that in mind. You may or may not have to buy two TVs or one more TV depending on your preference, but ultimately 615 a month, very nice apartment as well. Apartment number four. This one is 520 a month. As you can see, it has really nice finishes. It has really It has really nice finishes, really nice lights, a little bit of decor. It's two bedroom, two bathroom. Oh, check out the mattress. Do you see the mattress? That's a good quality American mattress that might feel good. Hopefully, it's not a whole bunch of springs, but it still looks like something we're more used to than the firm mattresses. So sometimes, like I said, if a room doesn't have a bed, sometimes the owner will say like, yes, I can supply a bed, and sometimes they won't. But ultimately, once again, 520 a month, two bedroom, two bath, pretty nice. Okay, we have the next one is a two bedroom, two bath. It is $385 a month. As you can see, it's a little bare, a little basic, but this is nice. You see that view? That view was really cute, really nice. It's going to inspire you to get out there and go play some pickleball, some tennis, basketball, whatever. It doesn't look like it comes with bedding. It comes with a couple sheets, possibly, but ultimately it doesn't matter because the price is really good. It's still two bedrooms and one, actually. It's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom at 385. So if you can deal with sharing a bathroom with whoever you're living with, this could possibly work for you. And the second bedroom is really small, but you might just be, a mom with a kid, or you want an office space. And apartment number 6, let's see. It's really nice. It has some decor, a fancy colored couch. I love it. The view is nice. I'll take it. They'll more they more than likely will add the mattresses once you get there. I didn't see any TVs, so you will have to buy TVs, bedding. That is a very small second bedroom with a built-in desk, which takes up more of the space, and the washroom is inside that little small second bedroom, which means that that second bedroom is going to be a little bit hotter, so keep that in mind. Another thing that we learned is that the price range for apartments, just like this video, the price ranges are all over the place. There is no standardized pricing out here. So the owners who own each and every single one of these apartments can basically put the price at whatever they decide. And you, as the renter, gets to decide if you want that apartment. Okay, so let me show you a few more apartments in this area. Apartment number 7. Apartment number 7 is a 3 bedroom, just giving you a view of what one of the 3 bedrooms looks like in this area. Honestly, the 3 bedrooms and apartments in this area is going to range anywhere from 700 to 1,700, but they're still very nice, very spacious, and it's still a really good quality for what you're getting compared to what you would pay in the States, or maybe even in another country. But ultimately, I'm impressed by the 3 bedrooms. Can't wait till I can get a 3 bedroom because we all really do enjoy having our own space. Um, but as you can see, even if you are a larger family and you're looking for a larger space, Vietnam can accommodate you, and they can accommodate you at a reasonable price. $420 a month for a 2 bedroom, 2 bath. The decor is on point. The view is amazing, and it has a TV, as you can see, cute little light fixtures, comfortable bedding that can start you off with. It does not come with that cute little dog, but once again, it's the second bedroom is very small, and the washroom is connected and inside that second small bedroom. So once again, still a 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Now, you see that? You see that little sofa cover? You definitely need to check under that sofa cover and see if you're okay with whatever you saw under that sofa cover. But ultimately, you still get a nice sofa, a TV, you got some bedding in there, and a little bit of decor. So, it's not bad. $520 a month. You might need a TV for that room. It already comes with a fan. It has some nice finishings to it. So, consider this one if you're interested. It doesn't have much countertop space. So, but it has a ceiling fan, y'all. Look at that. Okay, a ceiling fan is always good here. You don't really find many apartments with a ceiling fan, but ceiling fan's good. Let's go to the next one. Okay, for this one, if you are a girly girl and you're looking for a little cottage style, this would have been the one for you. It just goes to show you that all the different owners will decorate the apartment slightly differently. And so sometimes you look up and you find something that really fits your style, and sometimes you take what you can get because the place you're staying at has critters and you got to get out because you can't stay with them. Because you can't stay with them. So also keep in mind, you see that some of these places have standing fans. Like definitely consider getting a fan if it doesn't have a. That's why you hear me get excited when I hear or see a a ceiling fan. I get excited because I'm just like, I wish we had ceiling fans. We did buy a fan, like a room fan, but it didn't come with all the pieces. We tried to put it together, and yeah, it's just sitting in the utility room now, and it's one of the other 5 products that I need to like return, and I struggle with returns. But ultimately, that's that one. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this is another one and it is in the higher, it's a higher price range. It's 1,700, but the difference is that this particular apartment is not in District 9. This one is in the city center. This one is in like the city center. It's still in the Vin Homes. It's still in a Vin Homes development, but it's not the Vin Homes Grand Parkway development. But as you can see, the owner made this one so beautiful. So once again, if you like adorable upscale styles, they definitely have anything and everything you're looking for. You just have to be willing to take your time to search for it, and you have to be willing to pay the variations in prices for what you want. But if you are in the city center, then oh, look how nice. And a tub. You see that tub? It has a tub. Anyway, I like this one a lot. I like this one a lot. I'm going to go ahead and show you a few more just for the heck of it because I really love these. So, a lot of times everyone is always showing these one bedrooms, and high five those solo travelers who only need one bedroom. But there's a lot of us out here who want to make this type of move and we need two bedrooms. All right. So ultimately, that's what you got me for. Anyway, so let's go. Okay, so this is another three-bedroom apartment for $1,000 a month. As you can see, it comes with a really big sofa. It comes with a TV. You might have to get a room fan because that's a bigger open space, but three very spacious rooms. Um, you just can't beat it. Yeah. I know you see it. So honestly, this post is actually correct. I mean, no, I haven't been here for 3 years. Maybe this guy has, but this post is correct. You can't find this vibe anywhere else. This District 9 is like a bubble. It's not, the end all be all. I'm not saying it's the best place. I'm actually just here to give you the update on what it's like living in District 9 right now because that's where I'm at. However, I did visit District 7 and I loved it. So who knows? Maybe District 7's in my future. Ultimately, I would have loved to be able to capture this type of footage myself. However, I am new to this, learning how to be true to this. So I'm in that little white car there in front of them. That's me. And I couldn't get such a great view, but this is what it looks like in this area. And if you definitely wanted to ever check out this area or come to this area, but if you have a family or if you are an introvert, a person who lives in your own bubble, District 9 is for you. If you're a person who does not need to be in the clubs or be bopping around the town in every cool place every 10 minutes, then this area is for you. You can actually walk every morning. You have multiple parks. You have everything you need in one space. Everything can be delivered to you almost immediately. So, if you are an introvert or you are like us and you're simply trying to settle down, build a routine, and grow a business, then this is your sense of serenity. But if you like the hustle and bustle of, Saigon life or just city living, um, then you might need to try District 1, District 2, or even District 7 because District 7 seems like the best of both worlds. District 7 seems like the best of District 1 and District 9 put together because it seems like a walkable area with very wide sidewalks. There's three malls in that area. And then there's a restaurant we went to the other night called Eddie's, which is like an American style diner. So there's good food in that area. Um, so District 7 might be an area that I look into in the future, but ultimately, I'm loving District 9 right now. I really am. But people who live in District 1 or District 7 or District 2, they just don't understand the hype about District 9. But to each their own. As you can see, all of these places, all of these apartments have very, very nice accommodations. Not only do they have very nice living spaces, but they also have very nice common areas. So, You'll see the gyms, just about every gym looks like this. The pools look amazing, and they are amazing. They have barbecue areas, and people actually are using all of the amenities, and it is just a beautiful thing to see. Honestly, I'm just blown away, and the expat community here has been lovely. The expat community here has been a nothing shy of a dream, and I pray that it stays that way. And if something changes, I'm moving to District 7. Anyway, but seriously though, it's like Cheers. It's almost getting to the point to where District 9 feels like the show Cheers, where everybody knows your name. Anyway, it's it's getting to that, and I am loving it because I'm just loving it right now. Things to keep in mind when you are apartment hunting out here. Most of us coming from America do not want a bathroom that is a wet bathroom, a wet room. We don't want a water room or a wet room. Like, anyway, so the good news about this particular area and a lot of the Vin Homes developments, a lot of them have the separated bathroom shower area. So it's not considered a wet room. Like 90% of the apartments that I seen while I was on the hunt, they had the separation between shower and bathroom. So keep that in mind. For this is for District 9. But ultimately, yes, that's one of the biggest things that we wanted to make sure that none of our bathrooms were considered wet rooms. We wanted to make sure that we had that partition. Another thing is that we definitely wanted bedrooms on separate sides of the apartment. We wanted bedrooms on separate sides of the apartment. I don't want to share a wall with a child because I'm on vacation. Okay, it's my new life. My new life is a vacation. Anyway, seriously though, I'm loving it. So you want to make sure that you have enough space on your countertops in the kitchen. So evaluate the countertop space in the kitchen, the dining room table size, and verify that that is enough for you. If you find an apartment with a ceiling fan, oh, take that one because it really does get hot out here and you don't always want to have to run your air condition on high, and the ability to turn it off and just run your ceiling fan is a luxury, so consider that. And if you the view, there's a variety of views, and you just want to choose an apartment with a view that you like. But construction, okay, construction. Vietnam is constantly growing, and you definitely want to keep an eye on the construction that could possibly be going around in your area because it could possibly keep you up at night. Animals, are there animals in your establishment? Is there an animal living next to you that could possibly keep you up at night? So think about those things before you actually move into an apartment. But there is no rhyme or reason to the pricing, and I actually like it. I like it because I can find a great deal, I can negotiate a great deal, and I'm not stuck paying in the thousands for something that I don't actually want. So I love the fact that the pricing is all over the place here in Vietnam. I hope you like this video and see you soon. Bye.